Welcome back student, I am Santosh Misra, your account teacher, and now we are studying the dissolution of partnership form. In dissolution, in this video I am going to discuss the treatment of working compensation reserve. This reserve is created, workman compensation reserve is a reserve which is created from out of the profit of the firm to meet the claim of compensation, claim for the compensation by the worker. At the time of dissolution, this reserve is dealt as follows. So this is a workman compensation reserve and it appears in the liability side of the balance sheet. So in case there is no liability against the workman compensation reserve, suppose that there is no liability of workman compensation reserve, then in such a case entire amount of the working capital, workman compensation reserve, is credited to the partner's capital account in their old ratio. This is first case. Then the entry is workman compensation reserve account debit to partner's capital account. Sir, why we are creating partner's capital account? This reserve is created out of the profit of the firm. Then the partner are entitled to get the share in the workman compensation reserve at the time of dissolution. That's why we are creating the partner's capital account. So a workman compensation reserve has a credit balance, and when we are close this reserve, it should be debited. That's why we are debiting workman compensation reserve to partner's capital account, because by getting in the share of the workman compensation reserve, the capital of the partner will increase. So in simple term, जब कभी भी वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व हो और उस पर कोई क्लेम नहीं है तो उसको हम लोग पार्टनर कैपिटल में ट्रांसफ़र कर देते हैं और किस रेशियो में बांटते हैं? ओल्ड रेशियो में सारे पार्टनर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं. इन सेकेंड, इन द केस अमाउंट ऑफ लाइबिलिटी इज लेस देन द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व, an amount equal to liability is credited to realization account, because in the realization account we transfer all the liability which is shown in the liability side, all the provision which is shown in the liability side, and if reserve is shown in the liability side, then it should be distributed amongst the partner in their old ratio. And claim is a liability for the business. That's why for the writing of the workman compensation reserve, WCR is to be debited 20,000, and suppose that there is the claim of 8,000, so this amount of claim is transferred to the realization account, and remaining portion 12,000 will be distributed between the partner in their old ratio by partner's capital account 12,000. So students, entry is WCR debit to realization to partner's capital account. When we are preparing the partner's the realization account, it should be disclosed in the credit side of realization account, written as by workman compensation reserve 8,000, and when we pay the amount of the claim, entry will realization account debit to bank, In case if the amount of liability is equal to the amount of workman compensation, whole reserve will be transferred in the realization account. What will the entry? WCR debit to realization account. and in the case the amount of liability is more than the WCR, at that time entire amount of workman compensation reserve is transferred to the realization account. Suppose that we have WCR in the firm's balance sheet in the liability side 20,000 and claim for WCR is 25,000, then we first of all we transfer all the WCR in the credit side of the realization, and after that when we are going to pay that liability, it should be debited in the realization account as to bank account. Entry bill realization account debit to bank 25,000. So this is the whole treatment of the वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व. एक बार सिंपल वे में आप समझ जाइए. यदि कोई भी लाइबिलिटी वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व की नहीं है तो पूरा WCR कैपिटल में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा, सारे पार्टनरों में ओल्ड रेशियो में बढ़ जाएगा. इंट्री WCR डेबिट टू पार्टनर कैपिटल अकाउंट. यदि थोड़ा 20,000 का रिजर्व है और 8,000 का क्लेम है, एक जो क्लेम का अमाउंट है वो WCR से कम है, तो WCR को जितना क्लेम है उतना रियलाइजेशन में भेजेंगे और बाकी का पार्टनर कैपिटल में बांट देंगे. क्रेडिट साइड में पार्टनर कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में आएगा. यदि मान लीजिए कि जितना WCR है उतना ही क्लेम है, तो उस टाइम में WCR डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन कर देंगे और पूरा रियलाइजेशन में चला जाएगा अमाउंट. 20,000 WCR का अमाउंट पूरी तरीके से उसमें चला जाएगा, कोई लायबिलिटी नहीं है. अब मान लीजिए कि यदि ज़्यादा हो जाता है, यदि आपका WCR से क्लेम है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो उस केस में WCR जितना है उसको पहले हम ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे रियलाइजेशन में. अब जब पे हमको करना रहेगा तो रियलाइजेशन के डेबिट में टू बैंक करके पे कर देंगे. सो दिस इज़ द ऑल द जनरल एंट्री ऑफ realization account. And now this is a question. Lavana, Priya were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1. Pass the journal entry from the following transaction at the time of dissolution. Workman compensation reserve stood at 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and there was no liability towards the workman compensation reserve. ऐसे टाइम में क्या हो जाएगा, कोई भी लाइबिलिटी नहीं है तो ये पार्टनर कैपिटल में बढ़ जाएगा. एंट्री हो जाएगी WCR अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये लवाना एंड लवाना कैपिटल अकाउंट टू प्रियास कैपिटल अकाउंट 2:1 में 1,50,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा. वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व स्टूड एट 1,50,000 इन द बैलेंस शीट एंड लाइबिलिटी इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट वाज असर्टेन्ड एट द 90,000. इन केस एंट्री बिल WCR अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रोविजन फॉर क्लेम 90,000 and to you can say to realization 90,000 and two partners capital account 60,000 in their ratio 2:1. Workman compensation reserve is stood at 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and liability in respect of it was ascertained 1,50,000. Whole amount will be transferred in the realization account. What will the entry? Entry is realization account debit, WCR account debit to realization account. And in next part so this is the first entry, WCR account debit to Lavana's capital account to Priya's capital account 1 lakh and 1,50,000 because there is no claim of against the WCR. So whole amount will be transferred to their capital account in the old ratio, profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. And in second 1,50,000 is the amount of the WCR and 90,000 is the amount of the claim. WCR account debit to realization 90,000, this is the amount of the claim, and WCR account debit to Lavana's capital account to Priya's capital account. So balance 60,000 will be distributed between the Lavana and Priya. And this is the payment entry. when we are going to pay the claim, then what will be the entry? Realization account debit to bank 90,000, 90,000. This is shown in the debit side of the realization account to bank, writing as to bank. This is a third entry. There is the claim of 1,50,000 and also WCR is near about 1,50,000. Then whole amount should be transferred to the realization account. Workman compensation reserve account debit to realization 1,50,000, and this is the payment entry. After transferring the claim, we have to pay that claim, and when we are going to pay, the entry will realization account debit to bank. It is shown in the debit side of the realization account. And in fourth case, WCR is 1,50,000 representing in the liability side of the balance sheet, but claim is 2 lakh. So first of all, we transferred whole WCR in the realization account, writing as, when we are preparing realization account by WCR 1,50,000, and when we are going to pay, so in the realization account, debit side of the realization account to bank 2 lakh. So this will the entry, and this is enough for today. This is the whole treatment of the WCR in the dissolution of partnership. Thank you, student. Thank you so much.